AI AppMaker review. Hey there, Click to Rich Fam. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting tech reviews. Today we've got something seriously game-changing in the world of app development. It's called AI AppMaker. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Let's dive right in. All right, folks, let me give you a quick overview of this incredible tool.
Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first and most powerful AI-driven drag-and-drop app builder that creates unlimited iOS and Android mobile apps in less than 2 minutes and automatically uploads them on Google Play Store and Apple Store while banking you $587.42 per day on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity. Look, the demand for Android and iOS mobile apps is all-time high, and in this era of the AI revolution, the mobile app industry reigns supreme as the fastest-growing powerhouse, conquering every corner of the online world, with no signs of slowing down, and it's booming like never before. Here are some facts. As per the latest report by Statistic in 2023, the mobile app industry is worth $208.5 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach $777.4 billion by 2032. Around 310 million apps are downloaded daily. Over 21,148 new apps are released on Google Play Store per day. An average mobile user spends 90% of the screen time on apps. Mobile app industry covers 87% of the entire internet revenue. Mark Tandon, one of the Google Play Store app sellers, earns $250,000 annually, and an average app seller on Play Store earns over $12,000 per month. Hence, there is no doubt why mobile apps are the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the mobile app industry, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, the world of mobile app creation is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Crafting mobile apps from scratch requires lots of technical knowledge and experience. And hiring expensive app developers and freelancers could easily cost you $10,000, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily create, customize, and launch your very own dream apps in any niche without spending a single dime? Introducing AI AppMaker, the world's first and most powerful AI-driven drag-and-drop app builder that creates unlimited iOS and Android mobile apps in any language and in any niche in less than 2 minutes. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. It automatically uploads them to the Google Play Store and Apple Store while banking you $587.42 per day on complete autopilot. Finally, this revolutionary AI mobile app builder lets you create, customize, and launch your dream apps in real time by using our interactive drag-and-drop app builder. Craft mind-blowing mobile apps for Android and iOS using our done-for-you 1,000-plus stunning AI app templates. Create and launch mobile apps in 120-plus different niches such as gaming, education, e-commerce, food delivery, fashion, finance, sports, health and fitness, real estate, and so much more. Instantly add limitless AI content such as AI images, videos, music, and more to your apps with our built-in AI stock library. Broadcast mass messages to the app customers with our built-in one-click push notification. One-click payment integration. Accept payments in your app through PayPal, Stripe, or cash in hand. Send limitless emails and SMS along with videos, audio, and file attachments directly into your customer's inbox. Get total geographical insight. Track the number of app installs, views, and ratings for every user everywhere. One-click social media share. Blast your apps to over 50 different social media platforms with one click. Embed your affiliate links to the apps and drive free targeted traffic and sales on your offers and products. And the best part, you can get all this done in less than 2 minutes with just a few mouse clicks. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating mobile apps on your own. Say goodbye to the expensive app developers, designers, and freelancers. And finally, stop spending your hard-earned money on useless third-party app builders and services. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI app builder while driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, AI AppMaker is the new game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Choose template. Choose from our 1000 DFY sizzling hot and fully customizable app templates. Step 2. Customize the app as per your requirements with the drag and drop app builder. Step 3. Publish and profit. Start profiting by selling trending AI apps on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store while banking $587.42 per day on complete autopilot. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create, customize, and launch your dream apps in any niche and language in less than 2 minutes? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to AI AppMaker just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of AI AppMaker at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.